Hi, I'm Rachel. Slipstick's range of office chair caster wheels includes a replacement set of wheels for standard office chairs with 5 wheels in the set. These wheels are a complete replacement for damaged or broken wheels and are a universal fit to all 7/16 inch bases. If your office chair has a wheel that keeps falling out or just won't turn or is broken, it's easy to fix. Simply upturn the chair, pull out the existing wheels and replace with the new Slipstick wheels, no tools required. Replacement wheels now in place, chair rolls like new. These wheels roll smoothly and hold up to 360 pounds or 165 kilos. Slipstick's office chair replacement wheels are backed by our 5-year warranty.